So guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 14.5 struck on the terms and condition on iPhone and iPad. So guys, lot of iPhone and iPad have been reporting that iPhone and iPad struck on the terms and conditions. So they could not update your iPhone and iPad latest version of iOS 14.5 update in iPhone and iPad. So guys, in this video I will show you how to solve these problems on iPhone and iPad both. So guys, please for condition make sure follow in your iPhone and iPad for the install the iOS 14.5 update in iPhone and iPad. The first condition is make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection in your iPhone and iPad. The second condition is VPN and low power mode turn off. The third one is your iPhone has been charged above 50%. The fourth one is your iPhone has around 5 to 6 GB free space in your iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone struck on the terms and conditions. So guys, please follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. The solution 1 is most important. The solution is sign out of the iCloud and also signing back. So guys, first of all open the settings, then you can see also your name. So guys, please tap on that and scroll down, then you can see also sign out option. So guys, please tap on that, then sometime wait, then again signing back in your iPhone and iPad. The solution second is most important. The solution is turn on and off aeroplane mode in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the steps. So guys, first of all open the settings app. In settings app you can see also first option is aeroplane mode. If you turn off, so guys, please turn on the aeroplane mode in your iPhone and iPad. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn off the aeroplane mode in your iPhone and iPad. Easy to fix your problems. Now third one solution is turn on and off iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the step. So guys, first of all open the settings app in your iPhone, then you can see also scroll down and tap on the general. In general scroll down and last option is shutdown option. So guys, please tap on that, then you can see also slide to power off. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. Solution 4 is most important. The solution is change your region in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the steps. So guys, first of all open the settings app. In settings app scroll down and tap on the general. In general scroll down, you can see also language and region. So guys, please tap on that, then again scroll down and select the region. In region you can see also United States. Select in your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. Now last solution is most important. The solution is reset network settings in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings app. Then you can see also scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also second last option is reset option. So guys, please tap on that, then you can see also reset network settings. Then again tap on the reset network settings in your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. I hope these solutions work for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.